Hey, what's up everybody? In this video we're going to be taking a look at this really nifty little upgrade. If you have a Christmas tree or LED lights in your kitchen or security camera, uh, this video is for you. This is a little remote control electric outlet that I recently purchased. I'll put the link in the description below. And you can see that my LED kitchen lights are remote activated. It is super easy, super cheap. By the way, I did this little LED strip install, do-it-yourself job. I'll put a link in the description below. I made a separate video on how I did this that has a little bit more detail. Really nice little upgrade to the kitchen. But anyway, this is the electric outlet, and it is remote activated. You can buy this little kit here. It comes with the white wireless remote activated outlet and a remote. The two are paired with one another. And the cool thing about this remote, you can control 3 different outlets around your house. So one might be plugged into the LED lights as shown here. Another might be plugged into, your Christmas tree or a lamp somewhere else in the house, or a security camera, for example. And you can control each outlet separately with one remote. We use this all the time. Here's the second outlet that's paired with the same remote. This outlet feeds to a little camera up here, so we don't have to unplug the camera to turn it off or plug it back in to turn it on. And we can just keep the remote here on the wall. We have a little Velcro, and it just stays there, when we can control everything in our room and our house with one remote. Hope this video's helped.